2002, in the Aegean region of Turkey, near the city of Denizli, in a marble workshop, by coincidence, some workers found a fossil piece there. And later on, it was understood that this fossil piece was actually 1.1 million years old, and it belonged to Homo erectus. It was a piece from the skull cap. It was such an exciting discovery. Homo erectus migrated from Africa all the way to Europe and Asia. With this discovery, it was documented that Homo erectus passed through Anatolia. This skull cap has been the earliest and the only piece belonging to Homo erectus in Anatolia.